It's a time of renewal here at Volunteer Calgary. From programs and operations to the very vision and mission of the organization, our staff team and board have been doing the foundation work to set the organization up for success in meeting the capacity building needs of our members in the coming decade. Much of this work has been learning, exploring, and designing new and revised approaches to our volunteer center work and our new nonprofit management work. From an organizational standpoint, our renewal has three components. The first component is a review of our vision, mission, and values to ensure they accurately reflect our expanded capacity building efforts. The second component is a review of our brand and identity to ensure alignment with our vision and mission. We're most frequently asked, are you going to change your name? While a new name is certainly on the list of options we are considering for our new brand and identity, we are not yet at the stage to make that decision. The third component is the development of a new organizational strategy that aligns with our updated vision and mission. This includes an aligned operations and programming schedule to best serve the capacity building needs of our members. On the operations side, our renewal process includes significant information system upgrades. Thanks to the generous support of our investors, a key skills-based volunteer, and a newly created staff position, we have planned for and are preparing to acquire new equipment that will increase the reliability, the effectiveness, and the efficiency of our IS and IT infrastructure. Through our new Community Connects projects, we have grown our project management offerings to the corporate community, working closely with our nonprofit members and corporate partners to ensure meaningful success and impactful employee-volunteer experiences. Over the past few months, there has been a significant rise in the number of companies that are curious about employee volunteering. As a result, we have seen a corresponding increase in the demand for employee volunteer program consulting services. Our Calgary Corporate Volunteer Council is also helping to pilot a pro bono and skills-based employee volunteer project with our community members. In the area of community service learning, our team has expanded its work to include 8 post-secondary faculties, facilitating over 110 community service learning projects, which represent a minimum of 15,000 hours of student skill-based contributions in areas such as community development research, public relations, strategic planning and management, human resources, organizational learning and development, and web-based content production. The CSL team will continue to collaborate with member organizations and education partners on expanding our offerings to include evaluation research and quality outcomes. The team is also working with Volunteer Calgary members in the development of a youth engagement strategy for Calgary. Our learning and development team is wrapping up the last of the spring course offerings and consulting projects carried over from the Centrepoint acquisition. Summer will see this team involved in the programming and development work that will finalize the new fall course offerings and workshops in the area of volunteer management, governance, human resources, and fund development. To support these additional program areas, the team will be engaging with a number of experienced and highly skilled consultants to work on the design, development, and delivery for the fall session. In April, Volunteer Calgary also hosted one of our most successful Leadership Award galas ever hosted during National Volunteer Week. Almost 500 of you joined us on that night to celebrate with Premier Alison Redford as she joined us to share her thoughts on the important work that we're doing in the sector, to meet with volunteers, and to give of her own time.